May I come in, doctor? Yes, coming. Good afternoon, doctor. Good afternoon. Sit down, please. What's your name? My name is Khadi. How old are you? I'm 7 years old. What's your problem? I am having fever. Let me check. Open your mouth. Is it okay? Everything's okay. Take this medicine. Thank you, doctor. Welcome.
Bilingual Learning Center, BLC, Bogura.